Unit 1. In this unit, we are going to study some vocabulary related to the health. And today, we just finished how well do you sleep? We listened to the expert talking about how well you can sleep. And because of your sleep, you will feel tired or not tired in the next day. And you also do the exercise of true false about the quiz, about the characteristics which are true for people. And now I'd like you to look at the sentences here and match number 1, 2 with A, B. So you see, before bedtime I often do some work. And number 2, I'm never tired at work. Number 1, it should go with the B, to talk about habits and routines. It means I do it, and it is repeated many times with the word often. So it talks about the habits and routines. With number 2, I'm never tired at work. It talks about the things that are always true. We don't talk about the habit here because it doesn't talk about an action or something else. But it talks about the things that generally or always true. So, can you recognize what the tense is? Yeah, it's about the present simple. Now, in order to let you understand this tense even more clearly, I'd like you to do the examples here. You have 5 sentences, and you are going to do it within 4 minutes. Here you go. So you see, the answer for number 1 is that she usually works late at night. We add an X after the word work. And number 2, they have lunch at 12 p.m. every day. So we can see with the word every day, we're going to use the present tense. And we have the have at V1, it means bare infinitive. With number 3, my sister always watch. And with the watch and my sister is a singular, you have watches TV. And number 4, I don't go to school on Sunday. Number 5, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. You can see that number 5 is talking about something true. And so we have examples about present simple. Okay, I would like you to look at some examples again, and now it's time for you to write down the formula of the present simple. Okay, so you can see with the first one we talk about the words MER. I mean the form with the MER to talk about the present simple. We have the form with subjects MER, and after that it's usually a noun or an adjective or preposition phrases. In order to make the negative sentence of present simple with be, we have subjects am, is, are, not, and then noun or adjective. Finally, in order to make these questions, we use am, is, are with a noun, with the subjects, and after that with a noun or adjective. So you now may feel a little bit confused about am, is, are. When are we going to use am? And when with is or are? So usually am go with the subject I only. With is usually go with singular subject. It means go with she, he, it, or Peter, and other singular noun. With to be are, it usually go with plural, like you, we, they, or the other plural nouns. Now it's time for you to write down in your note some example. Alright, now it's time for us to go on with the original verb. We have the subjects and then V1 or V with S or ES. Now you may wonder when we are going to use with V1 and with subject we are going to use with S or ES. Just a little bit the same as how we are going to use with is or are. As being with singular subject, we will add an S or ES after the verb. And with the plural subject, we just use V1 in order to refer to present simple. Okay, as you can see on the screen that if we want to make the negative sentence, we use as, and with don't or doesn't, go with V1. And if we want to make the questions, we use do, does, and subject and V1. It means bare infinity. For example, we say I watch TV, but she watches TV. I don't watch TV. She doesn't watch TV. Do you watch TV? And does she watch TV? That's about the formula of present simple. Now it's time for you to now I would like to give you some signals to recognize the present simple. With present simple, it usually go with the adverb frequencies like usually, always, often, sometimes, every day or every night or every month, annually, or we have some days like Saturdays, Mondays, Tuesdays with S at the end. Okay, so now it's time for you to do the task in your book. Page 11, The Secrets of Sleep. You are going to do this task within 3 minutes. Number 1. Why do we sleep? So I'd like to give you the answer. From birth, we spend a third of our lives. Now repeat after me. Spend. Spend. But scientists still don't know exactly why. I'd like you to repeat after me. Don't know. Don't know. Number 4. Why do humans have problems sleeping? Now repeat after me. Why do humans have? Why do humans have? Number 5. In modern society, many people don't get the recommended 7 or 8 hours a night. Repeat after me. Don't get. Don't get. Number 6. We work long hours. Repeat after me. Work. Work. Number 7. We rarely go to bed. Again, we rarely go to bed. Number 8. Why do we sleep differently? Why do we sleep differently? Now repeat after me. Why do we sleep differently? Number 9. Now we have it with singular. Then we have it depends on the time of year and also our age. So we say it depends on the time of year and also our age. Now repeat after me. Depends. Depends. Number 10. Teenagers always need more sleep than adults. Now repeat after me. Need. Need. Number 11. Lots of elderly people don't get enough sleep. Repeat after me. Don't get. Don't get. So that is the answer for the task in your book, page 11. And also that is the end of the lesson with the grammatical point present simple. Goodbye.